Hey guys, this is Manish and in today's video I'm going to tell you about the latest phone which has been launched yesterday by the name of the Vivo U20. It's been upgraded to Vivo U10 and lot of new features and the camera improvement have been done into the Vivo U20. In this video I'm going to tell you about what are the components which you are getting inside the box, how the phone it is into first impression and how is the picture quality out of the Vivo U20. So let's first talk about what we are getting inside the box. Inside the box we are getting the normal TPU cover, a lot of instruction manuals, a SIM injector tool and your charger of the normal USB charging point and of the normal charger of 18 watts. 18 watts is given because you have in Vivo U20 you have a battery of around 5000 mAh and this 18 watt charger can make your phone charge quicker than anyone else. Just a point over here that the Type-C charging point is missing into the Vivo U20. I think that they should now provide it with the Type-C charging point instead of a normal USB charging point, but that's all because I don't think that it will be make a huge of difference but if you're charging with the Type-C or with the normal USB charging point. But first now let me talk about the camera setup on the back. On the back you're getting the triple rear camera setup of 60 megapixel plus 8 megapixel. And for your micro lens, you're getting the 2 megapixel. With 60 megapixel, you can do 120-degree AI wide angle shoots. And just where 8 megapixel is your primary lens, which you can take a normal photos. For your micro lens photos of your like flower or anything up to closer, you can use that 2 megapixel camera. On the front, you have a tear down notch. On that notch, you're getting the 60 megapixel camera for the beautiful selfie if you want to take it. If you're on your phone, because nowadays most of the people take a selfie instead of using their rear camera setup. I already have told you that it has a battery backup of around 5000 mAh and it approximately runs around 271 hours on a normal usage. If I talk about the processor is 675 Snapdragon AI enabled processor. With the help of the Snapdragon 675, you can play any sort of game, whether it is a heavy game like Call of Duty or PUBG, without any lag into your phone into this Vivo U20. And it has a battery backup of around 5000 mAh, so it won't be able to drain your battery faster as compared with the phone which having a battery backup of around 4000 mAh. In this phone, you're getting the full HD plus display, not the AMOLED display, but that's okay. And if I talk about that, in this phone you're getting the game turbo as well, because in game turbo all the other processes which are running on the background will be stopped and you can play your game simultaneously without any lag into this Vivo U20. So from my side, if I talk about the price is also just justified. If I talk about the 4 gigabytes and for the 64 gigabytes, it's going to cost you around 11,000 rupees. But right now the sale is going to come on 28th. And on 28th, if you do a pre-order, you get a pre-order discount of 1,000 rupees more. So the price range will be around 10,000 rupees. Now at this price range, we have another phone like Redmi Note 8 and the Realme 5S. Both these phones are simultaneously giving enough competition to each other. In one of the phone, we have a Snapdragon 665. In Vivo U20, we have a Snapdragon 675. Just a processor difference there, and trust me, you won't be able to feel so much of difference between the two processors. If I talk about the camera which you are getting in the Redmi Note 8 and on the Realme 5S is a 48 megapixel primary camera as compared with this of the 60 megapixel. So just like camera lag is there, else this phone is very much great. But trust me, you want to be able to feel so much of difference into the 48 megapixel and into the 60 megapixel photos because you want to just store it onto your phone and want to share it on your social media profiles. So from my side, I give a big thumbs up if you're considering this to buy the Vivo U20. So if you like this video, give a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or suggestions, do comments below and do let me know which phone you are planning to buy if you have a budget of around 10,000 rupees. This is Manish and I see you all in the next video.